Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to share such a great thing regarding more crypto exchange and also about more token. I'm going to give you an advice and also I will share such a great thing where you can buy this token at low price, and when it reach up the market, seriously, you can sell this token on the high price and you will get number of bonus from it. Before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video, and also you can join us on our social media, because on our social media I every time share number of multiple things regarding latest crypto news and also about the multiple ICOs and IEOs. Right now, what I am going to tell you, in my previous video I told you how basically more crypto work, and the whole work of the more crypto token and about the more crypto exchange trading platform. I told you each and everything, but today what I am going to tell you is very interesting. And as I told in my last video, basically on X markets, after hardly 11 days, basically the IEO will start on X markets exchange, and at that time you can purchase this token directly from X markets exchange at the price of 0.005 with the 10% bonus. And here you can see each and everything regarding the IEO. But now what I am going to share with you today is entirely important. Right now they offer the public sale, and the public sale is available on their own platform where you can purchase this token even the low price from the IEO. Wow, that's a great thing. What you have to do now, first of all, you have to sign up on more crypto exchange. It is entirely easy. You just have to sign up with your email address and password and your username. Then you can easily log in to your platform. Here you can see your the referral link. If you are going to refer your some friends, then definitely, for example, you are going to refer, for example, 100 people and they are going to buy more crypto token from their platform, then still you are going to get MOR coin entirely free. That is also a great thing. Now what you have to do, how you can purchase token, I am going to share the main theme of this platform. First of all, you have to sign up and then you can log in on this platform. Then you have to click on the deposit icon. Then you have to click on add deposit. When you are going to click on add deposit, they will show a new home page where you have to select how much amount you want to deposit. For example, I am going to click on 1 Ethereum, and here you have to select BTC or Ethereum. I am saying Ethereum. I am going to deposit, if you want to deposit 1 Ethereum, or even you can deposit lower than 1 Ethereum. For example, I am going to click it like this, 0.50 Ethereum only. Okay, so it is also basically acceptable. And then you have to click on the deposit icon. When you are going to click on the deposit icon, they are going to give you a simple address. On this address you have to send your Ethereum, and it will reach on the main platform of more crypto where you can buy this token at low price. I will basically disclose that one thing also with you right now. If you want to deposit, you can easily deposit your Ethereum or BTC directly towards the platform like this, that you just have to click on add deposit, and then you have to select the amount of the Ethereum or BTC you want to deposit here. Then after basically your funds when reach the main platform after hardly 4 to 5 minutes, then what you have to do, that is the best thing. Now you can see an option private sales. Here you have to click on the private sales. After that, then what you have to do, now you can basically just you have to select the option. Then here you can see the price of one more coin is only and only 0.0035. Wow. It means that if you are going to buy this token directly from the private sales, then you are going to save much of your money, because you can see on the IEO the price will be 0.005 US dollars, and in private sales the price is only and only 0.0035. Wow, you can basically save your money here. For example, I am going to write that I want, for example, 400 or 500 more token. You can easily buy it from here. Then you will get 10% bonus even. Right now, if you are going to buy from their private sale, you will get up to 10% bonus. That is entirely easy. Then you have to basically accept all these terms and conditions, and you have to click on the buy. Hardly in maximum 3 to 4 minutes, your more tokens will be sent on the main platform, and then you can easily withdraw your more coins from this platform to your personal wallets. That is the great thing. And here you can see the price is only and only 0.0035. No need to do anything. You just have to sign up on their main platform. You just have to deposit your funds, BTC or Ethereum or anything. Then you can purchase this token directly from their platform. You just have to click on the private sales, and on the private sales you can basically select how much more coin you want to buy. For example, if I'm going to write 1000 MOR I want to buy, then you can easily buy 1000 MOR directly from this platform, and 10% bonus you will definitely get on each buying. So that is the great chance. You just have to come over here on the public sale. At this time you only and only have 11 days left. After 11 days, definitely the price will increase from 0.0035 to 0.005. So grab this token right now because it is your chance, and then you can easily basically withdraw your all funds. You just have to click on the withdraw, and then you can basically withdraw your tokens directly from the main platform. You can see the minimum withdrawal is 5000 MOR. Then you have to basically withdraw. Then you can basically easily withdraw your MOR coins directly from their platform to your personal wallets. That is the best thing, and now it is your chance. Seriously, you have only and only 11 days left. Go grab this token at this time. Seriously, after, for example, you can say 3 months or 6 months, seriously, you are going to regret this thing if you didn't buy this token at this time. So stay tuned with us. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot for your cooperation. And in last, my recommendation is this, that you must have to grab this token and you must have to fill your bucket with more crypto token. Thanks a lot.